Now we will watch how to replace standard SketchUp materials or standard SketchUp colors into V-Ray material. You need to go to V-Ray Asset Editor. Select here. In the V-Ray Asset Editor, we have created our own library, that is Ready V-Ray 6 materials. Go to that library and select the material. For example, if you want to change the tile material, you just go to tile, select tile simple, click add to scene, then the tile simple material will appear in the asset library. Then select your existing tile material, that is named floor, and the tile simple material, which search for tile simple. Right click over here, use as replacement, then select the tile material and right click over here and replace in scene. In this way, the tile material is automatically replaced by V-Ray material. Now let's see again. If you want to apply a material to a wardrobe, select wardrobe material or apply standard color like this. Now go to the wood material, select the laminate which you want to apply. I am taking this laminate. I will just add this laminate to asset library, add to scene. Now I will right click and now I will right click the laminate material and select use as replacement. Then I will select the wardrobe and convert it to V-Ray material because it is a standard SketchUp color. So I will convert it to V-Ray material and then right click and then select replace in scene. So now you can see the laminate material is applied to the wardrobe. In this way you can change SketchUp standard color into V-Ray material. Now you need to go to edit and select the laminate texture. Go to V-Ray asset editor. In this laminate material, the texture file is missing. See here is a black just because the texture file is missing. You need to give the path of texture file. See the yellow dot. Relocate the file. I have located the texture file in my maps folder. Yes. Now clear the bump. Okay, you can see the laminate material is applied to the wardrobe.